common prefix. So here let's discuss what we have as an input. As an input, I will have a list which will have which will be like a list of strings, and I will change my output. So what I have here is a list of strings. Then power, flight, and flow. And what I want as the output, I want the longest common prefix. In this case, the longest common prefix would be flight, and this is what I would need as the output. Now I believe this is an easy question, and there are ways to solve this, but we will solve this using hashing. I think by using hashing, this can be solved very easily. So what I'll do is first, since I have, so this is my input, I will create a dictionary, and the dictionary would be this. I just write down the input again. Yeah. So this is my input, and I'm going to create a dictionary, and my dictionary will have indices. So 0, 1, and 2. These are the indices of these items in the list, and this is my dictionary, where this is the key, and these are the values. Now what I'll do, I'll simply use a loop, and I'll just traverse through each of these items. So what I'll do, I will have I have flower here, I have flight, and I have flow. So what I'll do first, I will, and these are and we have the dictionary. So these are 0, 1, and 2. So for each of these 0, 1, and 2, I will simply traverse the string. So first one, so I'll just, so let me call these the traversal index as j. So this is our index. Now what will happen when I'm here? So j would be 0, and my index is, and my value is f. So these values should be equal. Now so 0, 0 equals to 1, 0 equals to 2, 0. So we are good. So we move ahead. Now we are here. J is 1. So when j is equal to 1, then what I'll check 0, 1. So value at 0, 1, which is L, should be equal to the value at 1, 0, which again is L, should be equal to the value at, the value at 0, 1 should be equal to the value at 1, 1, and this should be equal to the value at 2, 1. So this is 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. Similarly, this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, this is 0, 3, and so on. So yeah, so 0, 1 should be equal to, this is 1, 1, should be equal to 2, 1. So yes, that's equal. It is L. Now moving on to j equals to 2. And when I go to j equals to 2, it will become 0, 2. 0, 2 is this. So 0, 2 is O, which is not equal to 1, 2, which is I. So this is not equal to I. So we will break here. The loop, the traversal loop will break here. And what we will get, so, and we will, j would be 2. Correct? So what would be our output? Our output would be any string, and the value should go till 0 to j, which is basically 1. J is equal to 2. 0 to 2 means 1. So flow. So this will give me FL. So this would give me FL. I hope you understood this question. This was an easy solve. I will also post the link to the question and also to the solution in the description. And let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.